It's the first of its kind in Leon County.
We partnered with Project Adam. They are a national organization that encourages schools to become heart safe.
A cardiac arrest emergency plan is being implemented at the K through 12 Florida State University School presented by the organization Project Adam. Project Adam affiliate programs assist schools and communities in establishing cardiac emergency response plans to place into action in the event of sudden cardiac arrest. Florida High school nurse Allison Westfall explains to me why having that plan matters.
A sudden cardiac arrest, right, is when an adult, a child, collapses. They're not responsive. They're not breathing, and their heart is not beating blood where it needs to. So, in those seconds, in those minutes afterwards, what we do is going to affect the outcome for that patient. So, this just says that we have a plan in place. We are not going to rely on first responders outside of our school.
If Governor Ron DeSantis signs House Bill 1037 into law, every school in Florida will be required to have a cardiac emergency response plan and access to AEDs. Having automated external defibrillators known as AEDs on hand are crucial in schools for staff and students. It can prevent death when seconds count. It's a much deeper need than one might think. Looking at the numbers, a person's chance of surviving drops by 7% to 10% every minute a normal heartbeat isn't restored. Immediate AED use can double or triple the person's chance of survival.
And we're just really fortunate that our school takes safety serious.
Kevin Helms is school safety specialist and a football coach at Florida High. He tells me what he thinks the future of the cardiac arrest response plan will do for schools across the state if House Bill 1037 is signed into law.
In the future, I think that all schools will follow in the same footsteps as us, as we've already added sudden cardiac arrest into our safety procedures. So we drill that just as we would any of the active assailant tornado drills and all those other things.
Right now, Florida High officials tell me they'll be prepared in their school clinic and hope all schools in Florida get on one accord.
Anything we can do in this community to support the health of students and to prevent sudden cardiac arrest through screening and education is something that this community needs to support.